Hi guys, welcome to my channel Roots for Software Engineer. In this video, I want to discuss about installation process of React.js. Okay, and for that one, first step is you need to install Node.js. Just go to Chrome and take here. Okay, now search here Node.js, enter. Okay, and it will give a number of sites, and in that one, any one of the sites select and download it. Okay, already I have in my laptop, so I'm not downloading. You will download and complete the downloading process, and later on come to command prompt and check it in the command prompt whether we installed our Node.js or not by using version. Okay, now based on version we can know about our installation process. I already installed, so my in version is 20.12.2. Okay, now along with the node we have, okay, now npm means node package manager, which is used to manage the packages. So this version also we have it. Okay, check it. Yes, it is giving. Okay, and after checking this one, just create one folder on desktop. And folder name is nothing but react.js. Folder name is nothing but react.js, and just put it into, okay, now Visual Studio. And after this one, okay, after this one, next step is go to terminal, and in the terminal go to terminal and check it whether we have in command prompt or not. Present it is there in PowerShell, please convert into command prompt. Okay, after converting into command prompt, once again check it node version it is giving here or not. Yes, it is giving, and npm also it is giving. Okay, next after this one, create our React project by using npm create vite at the rate latest, enter. Okay, now it is asking for us one project name. Sometimes it is asked one option, call it as are you okay to proceed. Just press y. Now present it is not asking for me, so directly I will give name, call it as react, enter. Project name anything is fine, but I am taking react. And next later on select one framework. Present we are doing with react, so select react framework. Okay, and next after that select one variant, so I'm using JavaScript, select it. Okay, next change the directory. CD means change directory to our created folder, so R, and press tab button, it will give complete name. Okay, next later on press here npm install, enter. Okay, now whatever the things in future we are depending on dependencies, that all the things we have inside it. Okay, now it will create here for us one node underscore module, and in that node underscore module all our predefined packages or dependencies we have. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, now wait meanwhile. See, here we are getting our node modules. Okay, these all are predefined dependencies or packages we have inside it. Okay, next after completion of this one, we need to proceed to forward. Just wait. Okay, successfully we installed our node packages also, and later on go to another step, npm run and dev, enter. Okay, now it will generate one local URL for us. Okay, and it is generating with a port number, call it as 5173. We need to run on this port number our React project, right? Just press here O, enter. Okay, our code will redirect to the browser, and browser we are seeing our output successfully Vite, and our desired react logo, plus it is giving counting of number and some content, as well as here it is giving some matter. Correct? Now this complete output we have inside our src folder of app.jsx. Okay, inside the app.jsx we have all the things. See, Vite logo and react logo and counting process, as well as something data we have. Okay, Now this app.jsx is one of the root element for our application, and main part is this index.html. Okay, inside the index.html we have id equals to root, right? This id equals to root we targeted in our main.jsx file by using document.getElementById, by id, and inside it we are rendering our output. Okay, now by using app component, and in this app component in future we can render our own created components also. Okay, 90% of our code will decide based on this one, means 90% of code we are writing in our src folder only. Okay, and next, node modules means it is one of the predefined packages storing folder. Okay, that is inbuilt we will get, so don't do any circus with that node models. Okay, that is most important thing, so don't modify and don't do anything with it. Okay, next, after completion of this one we have here one thing called it as dot git ignore. Okay, dot git ignore means whenever we are pushing our application into github, that time we don't want to push some of the files or some of the folder into github. Example is nothing but the node modules. Okay, now this type of things we have to mention in our git ignore. What of the things we mentioned in our git ignore, that will not upload in our github. Okay, next, later on, okay, now we have readme.md. Okay, readme.md means related our project. Suppose I want to do one project, call it as Flipkart, and the Flipkart related matter and related what is the data, I can write it. Okay, I can read the data related to the project, but it will not execute on browser. This is only for the reading purpose. Next one, package.jsn, and in the package.jsn, okay, now JSN means JavaScript object notation, and in this package.json we have all the predefined installed packages version as well as dependencies, and we have meta data as well as scripts also. Okay, next up, package.log.json means whatever the predefined packages or dependencies we installed, that all the versions are locked by using this package.log JSN. Okay, we cannot modify it. This is the complete file structure related to the React. Again, we'll discuss one by one in next class. Okay, now bye guys. Thank you.